I welcome you to this awesome video lecture on Python programming for absolute beginners by Emenwa Global. In this video lecture, I will take you step by step and teach you how to download and install Python on your computer for writing your Python programming codes. Let's move over to our computers now and get started immediately. Okay, go to your browser and just type in Python, and once you do that, you go ahead and hit on Google search. So now you've hit on Google search and a new window is opened for you entirely. The first link you see here is welcome to python.org. Go ahead and click on that immediately, and that will take you to another window entirely. And this is where the official page of Python lies. So, welcome to the official website of Python, and here you can see most of the things you need, but the Python documentation is right here. So this is where we need to come. If you are not here, please follow me step by step so I can be able to get to this point. Go ahead and click on Downloads. And you see, download the latest version for Windows, because this automatically detects that I am using Windows for this. If you are using Mac OS or Linux, go down here and you can be able to see that. You can go ahead and choose your preferred operating system and move on with me. At the time of making this video, the latest version is version 3.7.0. Go ahead and click on Download Python 3.7.0, and down here you can see that I have this pop up for me. I'll go ahead and hit on Save. So when I do that, it will begin immediately to download. So it doesn't take much time because it is a lightweight application that will be installed in our system so that we can be able to run Python. Everything about Python is lightweight, and the code is not even heavy at all. So you should always wait to see the next action so that we can be able to get to the end of this, and I'm going to show you. You'll be happy learning Python, because Python doesn't deal with much coding. It's very easy to understand and it is straightforward. So it's almost done downloading, and that is 90 and 100%. Go ahead and click on Open Folder, and this is Python 3.7.0. So go ahead and double click on this, and let's go ahead and install this together. So very soon it will come up. It doesn't take much time. I promise you, it's very easy and lightweight. And you might ask me, why am I downloading and installing for the very first time? It's because I want you to follow me step by step. I have to uninstall all this from my system, and I am already installing that with you so that you don't make mistake. Go ahead and hit on Install Now, and yes, and this will begin installation immediately. It doesn't take much time. You can see that it is very fast. Alright? And in a twinkle of an eye, that will be executed for us, and go ahead and enjoy our Python shell. So the installation is almost complete, and let's go ahead and wait for that, but it do not take much time and it will come to an end. Go ahead and hit on Close, and you've done a very mighty job at this moment. So what I need you to do now is go ahead and move to your Start menu and scroll down these, and you're going to look for Python. Let's go ahead and check it out. And here you can see Python 3.7 new. You just installed this. Go ahead and hit on idle, and that's going to come up right here. Okay, so this is what we have. Alright, and I'll go ahead and open another one again. So go down there at Python and click on these and open this Python 3.7. This is the command prompt. So in the next video lecture, I'll teach you how to use these two stuffs For us to work with Python is very easy. You don't need to freak out because it is straightforward and I'm going to lead you to the end. Then, if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and answer section and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.